Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this pressure washer, Lehigh Tools here. 4,500 PSI, 3.2 gallons per minute. That's a little bit, I got my new desk situation here, so it's kind of a larger thing. I'm gonna be setting this up and demonstrating this as well. Okay friends, so the hose just goes right here, hooked up. This right here, super easy to attach. Just push this in, little trigger there, that slides up in there and just let go and holds it in place there. I got my hose on, no leaks at all right now, so that's good. So I can just turn this, the power on, I got it plugged in. And got plugged in there. Plugged in there. I think we're good to go. So I can just let out some cord here. And it should just come on when I pull the trigger. Got a little locking mechanism here on the bottom. So it's lock and unlock right there. So I can just press that to unlock it. And then I have the power button right on the front here. So I can touch screen. See, is that on or off? Okay, touch screen on. And then I can go soft. Let's see here, do I have it on? I don't know if I turned that on. Oh, there we go. So I had it, it was actually on and I turned it off, so okay. And then we can just touch the screen, so we want soft. Medium, very responsive touch screen there, so that's nice. I just go with soft here, and then I can change what nozzle I want right now. So the different nozzles is basically just the degrees on how much that is there. So this one's at a 40-degree angle. To put it in there, you just slide this down like that, pull it down, just pop that in there and let go. And there you go, it's gonna fit in there nicely. Another nice thing, it's like super easy to clean the rims and stuff with this. You don't have to get down and scrub every little nook and cranny. If you get some soap on there, let it sit for a while, and then you can just blast it out of there pretty good with that. So got all the bird poop off of there and things like that. This thing works really nice. It's super easy. I'm gonna show you guys, just focus on like putting it away here real quick. But before we do that, I just want to show you the touchscreen here. You can see that it lights up nicely. So soft, it beeps when you push a button, and you can customize up or down and off and on the power right there. So turn the power off, and then on the back we're going to flip our switch off, and we'll commence to put it away here. Okay, so I turned off the water and unplugged it. Now we just want to drain out the rest of the water that's in here. There we go. I can release the hose here. Just press this in. It comes out super easy. That's just going to go right here. I'm going to take out my little nozzle end there. Put that right there. And this fits just right here in the back. Unscrew the hose there. Super easy there. Okay. So like I was saying before with this, just to wind it up, you just put your foot right here on that. It gives a nice stable place, and then just basically just wind this up here, no problem. I like that it's really convenient. This is Just a great idea, and that just goes right there. Now we can take our power cord, and this can also, like, you can wind it up and kind of just tucks right in there, that hose there, or the handle. And take our power cord, just kind of loop it together here. And whether you want to tie it around this or whatever, just like that, goes on pretty nicely. You can see how compact that is. And then you just wheel it wherever. This doesn't weigh a whole lot, but the big tires and everything makes it easy, so you don't have to pick it up if you don't want to. And this handle, of course, is expandable. You put it away when you're done. If this is too big, obviously we can take that out and make it a little bit shorter, or get it out of the way so it doesn't stick in it way out of the top. But not a huge deal there as far as storage, but it is quite compact compared to a lot of pressure washers out there. So all in all, my friends, I think it does a really good job. Yeah, wash the car, clean the fence, clean the driveway, siding, whatever your job you're working on. This thing is impressive and does a great job. It's easy to work with, no leaks or anything like that. Super ergonomic. My hand wasn't hurting or anything by using this handle. It's lightweight and just does a great job. So anyways, thanks for watching this review, my friends, and I'll see y'all next time.